Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First solution, go to Microsoft Store and download Epic Games Launcher from here. Just go ahead and download it from here. If that will not fix a problem, open up your File Explorer, go to Local Disk, Program Files, and on Program Files, you want to go ahead and delete the Epic Games folder. Just go ahead and delete it. On Program Files x86 and also on Program Files itself. Here it is. Just go ahead and delete both of these. After you've done that, and if that didn't fix the problem, you want to open up your Task Manager, go on Startup Apps, go and click Run New Task. From here, you want to write down msiexec and then exe. I'm going to leave it in the description for you to copy this. Then you're going to click Create this task with admin privileges, click Browse, and you're going to find your Epic Games installer file. I have it on my desktop, so just go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and enter desktop. If you cannot see your Epic Games installer, you just want to go ahead and click here All Files. And then choose this folder, this file, and then click OK. Now your Epic Games launcher will start to install. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and open this up and click Install, and that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.